Have you ever felt that you are making the best profit ever, but you can't see this in your bank balance? This video has some practical tips for managing your cash flow.
Profits are good, but my cash balance seems low. Can you help me understand where my money is going?
Chris, having a good cash flow projection is paramount to every business. By understanding your business outlook and where your cash can sit 1 month, 6 months, even 1 year from now, can have a significant impact to the decisions you make. At Nexia, we work with you to implement a budget, which will be the foundation of your cash flow. Following that, we can monitor your cash flow projections and get an understanding where your cash is and implement strategies to unlock that cash so your cash balance is more reflective of your profits.
I routinely cast my eye over the bank account and got the business this far without a cash flow projection. Why do I need it now?
Understanding where your cash can be at any point in time allows you to make better and informed decisions. You'll have the ability to see over the horizon and understand your cash flow movements. By having this understanding, you'll be able to make changes to your cash, unlock more cash that may be hidden in your business, giving you that freedom of choice to grow either your business or personal wealth. Knowing where your bank is today is fine, but what about tomorrow? By being able to forecast tomorrow months in advance, you'll be able to make better planning decisions and not just run your business as you did yesterday.
What if scenarios change and another black swan event, say a global pandemic, comes about again?
With cash flow forecasting, we'll be able to scenario plan what events may look like. With the information at our fingertips, we can plan in advance regarding how much cash we need to keep going, how to plug those gaps in the cash flow, and look at the best strategies to suit our business so we can power on.
Carefully managing your cash flow is very important. Build some what-if scenarios into your planning and remember, cash is king.